Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to apply Shein coupons. Alright, and it is pretty easy to do. Just go ahead over to your cart. Alright, now once you have selected your preferred item or the item that you want to purchase, just go head over to checkout right here at the bottom right. Alright, now once done, just like the standard process, just go ahead and select your payment method right here. Could be cash on delivery. And as you can see here below that, there's an option called coupon code. All right, just go ahead and tap on that and the coupon code section will open. Just go ahead and input your coupon code right here. And once done, hit on apply and it should automatically redirect you back to the checkout section. All right, you can also add in gift cards right here, your wallet, or you could also use your points. Now, once done, just go ahead and review the item, add the details right here and hit on continue. And after that, you're good to go. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.